everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make recycle bin delete its file automatically in a particular day in Windows 11 computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. Say I have tons of files on my recycle bin, so you can see here, so you can call it as trash files. So you can see here, so I want to make this recycle bin delete all these files automatically in a respective day or a particular day. So for this, what you need to do is just open the settings. Now click on the system option, and on the right side you can see here storage. Just click on it and just scroll down below, and now you will see here storage sense. So if this option is turned off, then just turn it on, and after that click on it again. Now you can see here at the bottom run storage sense. So just click on this down arrow icon and just select every day, and at the bottom here you can see here delete files in my recycle bin if they had been there for over 30 days. By default it will be set into 30 days. So you can click on this down arrow icon and you can select it 1 day, 14 days or after 60 days. So I will just select the list 1 day. That means after selecting 1 day, my recycle bin will delete all the files present on it for more than 1 day. Then after that it will get auto deleted. So by enabling this option inside the settings, you can easily make recycle bin delete its file automatically in a particular day in Windows 11 computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.